Mr. Kelley Bostian.
Yes.
I said it right.
You did.
It's German, so he helped me out the first time. So go ahead and introduce yourself, Kelley.
What's up, everyone? You want me to go through the song again?
Yeah, again.
Okay.
Tell everybody where they can find you at, too.
Yeah, so first of all, you can find me on Facebook, if this is where it's being broadcasted. Just type in my name, Kelley Bostian, which is probably attached to this. I primarily am through Instagram, Kelley B Music, so you can find, if you like this song and you want to know more. I am in the process of self-recording a 12-song album, and it has not gone well thanks to COVID-19. So hopefully it will be out by July, including this song that I'm about to play. This song's called First Person Problems. I hope you guys like it. If you want to know more about the meaning behind the song, I kind of introduced it just a second ago and I forgot everything that I said. So, yeah, you can go. I knew I was going to attach something to the end, but I completely forgot it. So listen to the LP and you will hear the true ending eventually.
Yep. You got anything? Tell them one more time where they can find you at.
Yeah, so y'all can find me on Facebook and Instagram at Kelley B Music, Kelley B Music. You got to make that distinction because I always get confused with the Kellys out there. And like I said, I'm in the middle of recording an album, and I have been for a long time. You would think that COVID-19 would make that easier, but it didn't actually. But all things are lined up now, going to plan, and if you want to hear more of my music, just follow me. I'll be releasing things, including this album, is probably early July. But definitely it's not going to go beyond July.
Yeah.
Because at that point, I'm going to lose interest. But cool. Thanks for listening, y'all.
Thank you, guys. Hello, everybody. Jeanette, Abigail, Carrie, everybody's listening. We got people from California. We're out here in Georgia, enjoying the weather. So his episode will be out tomorrow. So thank you guys for listening.